Good morning, everybody. This is Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. I'm going to put out a couple videos today. This is a short, quick one. I wanted to give a little highlight to Diamondcarmats. I was detailing a friend's car a couple weeks ago, and it was a brand new Mercedes, and I'm like, oh my gosh, these mats are just amazing. Where did you get them? Oh, I ordered them online at Diamondcarmats. I'm like, oh my God, I've never heard of them. So then I saw a bunch of posts on Facebook and advertisements and stuff. Well, they had a Black Friday sale. So normally they're $219 for a full set. They do have trunk and SUV inserts as well that are extra. So I got the 20% off for Black Friday. It came out to $153 with shipping. I thought that was a great deal because if you order any of the other high-end car mats, it's basically the same price, and I wanted to get something other than plastic. So here's the reveal. It is like a pleated faux leather. You can get, I matched the beige to the color of the leather, and let's install this and see what it looks like. Looks like I can tuck it underneath the leather here, underneath the seat a little bit, make a little more of a custom fit. So it goes up on the sides, which I thought was kind of cool, and protects everything. Diamondcarmats. I'm gonna spray on a Chemical Guys leather protector and leather smell, just to make it a little more waterproofed. I'll do the front side and do a final video. All right, we're gonna show a quick after video. Hopefully everything comes out nice and clear. You can see these mats fit really nice. Just type in your model number. It'll take a little while to get some heat in there, but really sharp looking. I did spray them with the Chemical Guys sprayable leather, so it gets a protection on there, makes it nice and deep, shiny look. Not too shiny. Really nice. I'm very happy with them. Driver's side one, it's got a little tougher fit because it's got all the, you know, little bells and whistles in here. It'll just take a little while to fit in, but so far so good. Great product. Any other questions, shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if this was informational to you. And my channel is Attention to Detail in Tempe on YouTube. Everyone have a great day.